Welcome to this demonstration video for the GI VR AR Workshop 2020. We would like to present our Forest Saver project, an interactive virtual reality application where users can explore a realistic forest environment to immersively experience the various stages and effects of deforestation. Deforestation and its effects on climate change are serious issues. However, the dissociation between people's knowledge of adverse effects and their lifestyles present a major problem. Interactive digital media in general and virtual reality in particular have a unique potential to close this gap. This is why we decided to create Forest Saver. Forest Saver is a VR application developed in Unity for the Oculus Rift platform. In this application, the user can explore and travel between different forest states, which are a perfectly intact forest, a state with only minor human intervention, such as a road and a cabin, a burned forest, a cleared or logged forest, and finally a plantation setting with industrial plantation replacing the original forest altogether. Every time an experience is initiated, the environment is procedurally generated with semi-random tree and object placement based on purling noise in combination with different offset parameters for more organic distribution. However, within each unique experience, the positioning of the objects stays the same, as the states actually constitute different versions of the same forest. In order to make the environment as immersive as possible, we focused on having realistic lighting by replacing the standard directional lighting with a volumetric lighting solution, and realistic audio complementing each state, as non-visual factors are equally important to the credibility of VR-based environments. While this version is still an initial prototype, we are planning to develop Forest Saver into a full-fledged serious game. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to discussing with you in the virtual demo session later and hear about any questions or ideas you might have.